Welcome to the review, guys. Today we'll be assembling this 25 by 9 outdoor chicken run. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And let me tell you what, this thing looks like it's going to be great. There's a lot of parts here and it looks pretty chaotic, but they sent us this detailed instruction book and everything is numbered. So I'll be able to put together piece by piece by myself, hopefully. And let's get started. Now the chicken run we're setting up has doors on both sides. So the plan is I'm going to set it next to this one so I can connect the two. We'll put the baby chicks in this side for now so that they can interact with the adult chickens. And then once they've gotten used to each other, I'll open it up so they can be together. All right, I've assembled some of these straight poles together and now I'm going to start connecting them to those curved pieces and we'll start making this shape. Over the years, I've learned a couple tricks doing these. One, make sure your pieces are oriented correctly, not only in the right spot, but that they're facing the right way. And the other thing is whenever you have these square holes like this, a lot of times the bolt has a square end that wants to seat in there and that keeps the pieces from moving. So just make sure they seat in correctly, make sure your pieces are facing the right way. We're doing good. My mom was here helping me put on the fencing and we got one side pretty much on. It's all attached with these little zip ties, which I'll go around and put them in the spaces, but for now we're just getting it up. All right, we got all the fencing on. I got to tighten it up in places and secure it a little better, but we're gonna put the tarps over it right now and get the chicken coop over here while the weather's hot. All right, we got the fencing on and the tarps on and it looks nice. This will keep my chickens in. We got the chicken coop coming right now. We're gonna set that up on the end. We'll be letting some chickens out. Came with these really nice clips I gotta put on. So these will go on here and then these will screw into the ground so that when the wind gets heavy, it won't throw our chicken run around. It started raining, but I got both the tarps on already. So I'm gonna stay under here and secure the tarps down because we got the chicken coop brought over here, but I have to attach it yet. I had enough extra fencing from the chicken run to fence the area leading up to my chicken coop. And then I got the ladder so I can get in and out because I'm gonna have to make sure that they go in the first few nights. Once they know that they can go in this chicken coop, they'll be all right. Now we'll start moving chickens over. And we did it. We got the chickens moved over. They're no longer in the little trailer coop. They're now out here exploring grasses, eating bugs, much happier. This thing is perfect. And the door lines up with the other one. So once these little chickens are big enough, I'll be able to open the door and let them both share the double coop.